Great! Our database is now available. Let us click the DB identifier to see some important information on connectivity and security. Under connectivity and security, we can see the database endpoint and port number. We will need these details when making a connection to the database in the next lesson. We can also see the AZ it was deployed in, the VPC and subnets. In the next lesson, I will show you how to connect to this database, but for that to happen successfully, we need to add our IP address to the security group attached to the database. To do that, click to open the security group in a new tab. Click the security group ID. Let's edit the inbound rules to allow connectivity from our computer's IP. Click Add Rule. Under Type, choose PostgreSQL. This automatically fills in for us the protocol and the port number. For source, select My IP. Now click Save Rules. Since security groups are stateful as we mentioned before, we do not need to add an outbound rule. We now have a new rule to allow us to connect to our database from our computer. In the next lesson, we will connect to the database. Before then, if you do not have an SQL client tool installed on your computer and would like to follow along, please download and install the one I will be using, dbeaver. A download link has been provided in the course resources.